friends, what's up? You're watching Origami Time with Namai and I'm Namai. In this video, we'll make origami Santa Claus that can sit on your desktop and fulfill all your wishes. This video is also really special because it's the last video of this year, and let's begin with today's origami model. We need a square sheet for this. So keeping the colored side in and the right side out, let's create these two mountain folds. Unfold, and same on this side. Let's unfold and fold your paper diagonally in half just like that. Let's unfold, and ensuring that this squeezes on your left, let's fold our paper like so. Unfold, and on this adjacent side as well. Unfold. Now let's turn over and bring this point to the center. Unfold and again turn over. Basically, we need to work on this square, this small square, and we need to make something like this. So first, let's fold it like this. Unfold, bring this point to the center crease, like so, and now let me zoom in. Let's fold our paper like so, and then fold it right here. Now let's turn our paper over. Now we need to bring both of these sides to the center at the same time, so this flap should directly come down. Now let's rotate, and here we've got the hat of Santa Claus. The next step is to align this point to the top point, so let's fold our paper like that and fold it down, but not completely, just till this point, such that this gap is equal to this gap. Let's fold this up, not completely, such that this gap equals to this gap, and again fold down till this crease. So now we've got a nice zigzag intersection pattern. And now let's turn over and align these 2 points to the top. So we'll fold it like this and simply bring this side as well. And now with that done, let's just simply fold this side to the center, and same on the other side as well. And now let's turn over, and here we've got our Santa Claus. Now in order to make this stand, and this is my modification to this model, which was not there originally in this model, so let me show you how to do that as well. If you want to leave your Santa Claus just like that, you can do that, but I'll show you how to add the stand as well. So just fold your paper till here, such that you get this kind of a stand till here, but make sure that this line is going a bit outwards, and till here. That's satisfactory. Let's do the same thing on the other side as well, so I'll fold it the same way. Okay, done. Now we'll fold this just like that, and let's do the same thing with this side. Let's fold it like that, and then these two will simply go in this pocket which you see, just like that, and that will create the whole stand. So just fold your paper like this. I know it's a bit messy, but it would work perfectly fine. So that's the stand ready, and now you can adjust it according to the height. And so guys, you can also draw the figures like the eyes, the smile, and the buttons. You can customize that. So guys, that was pretty much it for this video, and thanks for watching.